बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा. Students, today we will solve our exercise 1E, all MCQs of exercise 1E. Open your countdown page number 13. Here we have our question number 1, fill in the blanks, in which first one is the unit set of is also called a dash. Students, unit set is also known as singleton set. So you will write here singleton. In first blank you will write singleton. Next, a set of all integers is an dash set. You know very well, in all integers we cannot count them. These are countless numbers, unlimited numbers, because we cannot count all integers. So you will write here infinite is an infinite set. In blank 2 you will write infinite. And number third, we have one symbol. You know very well what symbol is this. It's for the empty set. So you will write in number third blank empty. And number 4, two sets that contain the same number of elements are called, students, you know very well, the two sets which have same number of sets but not the same elements. So what will be the two sets says, if they have the same number of elements but not same element, means if A set have 4 elements, then B will also have 4 elements. But element will not be same if A have 1, 2, 3, 4 and B can have A, B, C, D. So the number of element is same, 4 in each, but they have not same element. This type of sets will be said to be equivalent. So you will write in number 4 equivalent. Number 5, a dash set contains all the possible subsets of a set. You know very well, I have told you that when we make all the possible subset, that will be the power set of that set. So you will write here power. At number 5 you will write power. At number 6, a proper subset is denoted by the symbol. You know very well what is the symbol of proper subset. So you will write here, make here the symbol. The number of elements in a set is called its. When we count the elements of any set, then it will be said its cardinality. So you will write here cardinality at number 7. Student, number 8, we have set A is equals to 1, 2, 3 is a dash of set B if B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. I have told you, if the A have all the elements of B, then it will be the subset. It can also say to be proper subset, but you will write here subset because it have all the qualities of subset. So you will write here subset, and you can also write here proper subset. It depends on you. Next one, overlapping sets have at least one dash element. In overlapping set we have at least one common element. So you will write here common. Number 10, the universal set for A is equals to 1, 3, 5 and B is equals to 2, 4, 6 is. You know very well, in universal set we write all the members of two sets by arranging them. We have 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4, 6. So you will arrange them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write them in curly bracket and put commas between them. Next you can see we have 100, 200 and 400, and here we have the infinite set, which is 1, 2, 3 and so on. It means it included all the whole numbers. So 100, 200 and 400 could be the proper subset of the given set. So you will write here the symbol of proper subset. Next you can see here we have 12 and 24, and other hand we have 2, 4, 6, and this one is also infinite. It means it included all the even numbers in the counting. And 12 and 24 also the even numbers. So you will write here again the symbol of proper subset. Next here we have 10 and blank after we have 1, 3, 5 and so on. It means it have all the odd numbers. So can the 10 be of element of odd numbers? No, because 10 is an even number. So you will write the symbol is not a member of here. Next 1, 2, 3 and so on. It means this one is infinite set, and other hand we have 8, 10 and 12. So students, the 8, 10 and 12 is the smaller set, and 1, 3, 5 and infinite set is the set with greater elements. So this will be A10 will be its subset and this will be its superset. So you will write the symbol here superset. Next we have 135 and in other hand we have 351. You can check both are equal, so you will write here equals to. Next we have Kasur, Lahore and Multan, and other hand we have Pakistani cities. You know very well Kasur, Lahore and Multan are Pakistani cities. So Pakistani cities, the set with Pakistani cities is greater because it includes all the Pakistani cities. So the Kasur, Lahore and Multan will be proper subset of Pakistani cities. So you will write the symbol here proper subset. Next A, B, and other hand we have vowels of English alphabet. You know B is not a vowel, so you will write here is not equals to. Okay students. Now comes to question number 2, where here we have stated whether the following are true or false. First one is A, in which we have A, B, C, D and B is equal to B, D, E. Then can B a subset of A? Students, B could not be a subset of A because for the subset we have first set that will be smaller and other set will be greater. Here we have B set is smaller and A is greater, so this one will be false because first set is greater, A is greater, so we cannot write B is the subset of A. We always write here A is subset of B if it be. It is not, so this one is false. Number 2, there can be no one-to-one corresponding in. You can check in A we have A, B, C and in B we have 1, 2, 3. You can check one member can make pair with one member and they will remains. So this one statement is also false because they have one-to-one correspondence. Number 3, set A is equals to Japan, China, South Korea and set B is Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus are equivalent sets. You can check both have 4 elements in each. So this one is true because they both are equivalent sets. The power set includes a null set. Yes students, in power set we first write the null set. So this one is also true. Number 5, P is equals to 1, 2, 3 to till 10 is written as, you can note dots denotes the where here we have some more digits. It means it, and at last we have 10, so it means the counting till 10. So we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but this one is not a set builder form. You know very well how we write the sets in set builder form. We denote them by some mathematical rules. So this one is false. Next, a set of all children in a school is finite set. Yes, you can count all the children of schools. This one is true. Next, a set of all the beautiful cities of the world is a well-defined set. You know very well this one is not well-defined because the word beautiful can be changed by the choice, by the mentality. You can, the persons can change the cities. So this one is not a well-defined set. This one is false. The symbol E denotes to a subset. No student, it denotes to a member of. So this one is also false. Next, the set B is superset of set A if set B contains all the elements of set A. You know very well, if the B is bigger set, so in B we have all elements of set A. It means set A is smaller and B is bigger set, so B will be the superset. So this one is true. And last, the cardinality of set A is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 is 30. No, you can check here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members. So the cardinality is 5. So this one is also false. And student, if T is equal to A, B, C, then can A is a member of T set? Yes. Can B is a proper subset of T? No, only member T cannot be a proper subset of T. And element A is a proper subset of T? No. Can B is a subset of T? No, because here we write only the members. Members cannot be subset. The set can be the subset or proper set. Here we can check in E and F. We have here made A as set. We write A as set. Can A is a proper subset of T? You know very well. Yes, it could be the uh, uh, proper subset of T. So you will write here true, and AB is also the proper subset of T if we write them in the form of set. So this one is also true. And ABC cannot be the proper subset of T, because in T and this one set we will have both equal number of elements. We have at least one more element in T, then it could be the proper subset. So when the it could be the subset, but it could not be the proper subset. So this one is false. And H empty set cannot be the subset of T. Student, is one wrong, because when we write the subsets we always write empty set first of all. So this one is also false. Next come to 11. A is a member of ABC. You know very well. Yes, we have here A, so it's the member of. Set B is the proper subset of ABC. We write here member B as a set, so B is also a proper subset of ABC. This one is also true. C is not an element of ABC. You can see here we have C, so this one is false. ABC is equal to AD. No, students, there in equal sets we need equal elements and same elements. Here we have AD and here we have ABC, so these one are not equal sets. You will write false here. 3, 5, 7 is a subset of 2, 3, 4, 5. No, because 3, 5, 7 in other set which is greater we don't have digit 7, so it could not be the proper subset of second set. So you will write false here. And in last we have 1, 2 is not a subset of 2, 3, 4. Student, you know very well, because 1 in other set we don't have digit 1, so it is really not a subset, proper subset of second one set. So this one is true. And at last, student, question number 3, define the following. You know very well the definitions of all the sets I have told you in my lectures. You will write them yourself in your copies. And students, take care of yourself and solve the exercise 1C. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.